Hello traders, good morning all. Sorry, there was a medical emergency, so couldn't make a video yesterday night. Even I'm just going to make this video as simple as possible because there is no time left. I just need to wind up the day and go. So risk disclaimer, all information on this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended to provide any financial advice. Any statement regarding profits does not represent a guarantee, and this is not a copy trade service. So Nifty, what happened? We got a open test drive up, a bullish sign, a bullish open, and once we broke previous day's high, okay, and we pushed above 11,240, and the next pullback was a easy long for 11,250 and 11,280 as well as 11,305 VPOC. So this VPOC which not been tested, this VPOC of 5th March which not been tested had been tested yesterday. Okay, so Banknifty was a beauty yesterday. Banknifty took a support around the zone 675 mark. This VPOC had been tested and then it started firing up. This was an easy clue for me because it was a strong breakout zone where bulls had showed their power. So I felt like if this support comes here, then Nifty would scale much higher, and exactly that happened. The late shorts, as I always say, see, that is why I'm a mean reversion trader. I like to buy this strength at lows rather than shorting on a tired trend. What I call is a tired trend. How you know tired trend? There are few clues from Marketprofile. You can know the tired trend. So what is likely? And we are near a supply zone and 11,340. okay, this is a level I will be watching keenly. 11,340 and 360. okay, this zone I will be watching very keenly. How price reacts here. So 11,340. So till we hold 11,220 and 200, this is bullish. The broader market remains bullish. In case if we open flat and if we go struggle to cross this 11,340 or 360 zone, if it breaks the morning low on pullback, I will be looking short for 11,280 and 11,260. okay, so that would be my first trade idea. In case if we open flat and comes and hold this value area high of yesterday, say like 11,260, and goes above 11,280 on pullback, I will be buying, looking for 11,320 and 11,340. That is my long idea. Banknifty, we need to watch how price reacts around 22,380 and 22,470. So I'll be watching this zone. In case if price struggle to breach this I would be looking for a short. If 22,380 couldn't break, if it comes down on pullback, I will be looking short for 22,100. 22,000 need to break for any strong bearish move. Till that, it will be in the range of 22,000 to 22,600. This is the range until 22,000 is going to get breached. If we open flat and if we hold 22,000 and again scales above 22,100 on pullback, I will be buying, looking for 22,300 and 22,400. That is my long idea. On OI front, if you see, still 11,500 highest open interest on call side and 11,000 highest open interest 11,000 put highest open interest on put side. Yesterday, if you see, there was a good short covering happened across 11,500 till 11,700. We need to watch how the build-ups happen around 11,300 zone today. So I'll be watching this zone. So I won't chase longs at highs unless we got a good gap up. So I'll wait. The stock idea which we mentioned yesterday done fantastically very well. So it opened above 1860. It rejected but again captured this 1860. It held it very well and then gone tested the first probe, some profit booking, and then it went for second probe. So this is what this is my style of trade. I wait actually. Okay, I just wait. I have some stock trigger or stock idea. I will just wait for me to show the price confirmation. If it not happens, I would just happily avoid it. Why to chase it? Okay. So anyway, I won't be watching the markets today. I'm just as I said, there is some medical emergency, so I'll be busy with that. So happy trading, guys. As always, respect your risk and protect your capital. Have a great trading day. Bye everyone.